spotting 1. Spot A. Identification. The given spot A is a photograph of bagging and tapping. Comment 1. Emasculated flowers are bagged in polythene bags. 2. Bagging prevents pollination by foreign pollens. 3. A tag is tied to the bag having brief information on it. Spot B. Identification. The given spot B is an experiment set up showing separation of plant pigments by paper chromatography. Comment 1. On a chromatography strip, the separation of photosynthetic pigments as bands of different colors in a particular sequence is observed. 2. From loaded spot up to the top of the sequences, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, xanthophylls and keratin. 3. C8LB appears yellow-green, C8LA appears bluish-green, xanthophyll as yellow and keratin as orange in color. Spot C. Identification. The given spot C is a specimen of Xerophytic Calotropis procera, Rui, plant. Comment 1. It is non-succulent, drought-enduring, wild shrub of arid, desert and wastelands. 2. The leaves are thick and somewhat leathery. Spot D. Identification. The given spot D is a diagram of VS of blastula. Comment 1. The VS of blastula shows outermost layer called trophoblast. 2. Trophoblast encloses blastocele and a inner cell mesh. 3. The inner mesh cell is attached to one side to trophoblast cell layer. Spot E. Identification. The given spot E is a type of Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome symptoms are short stature, height, and webbed neck. Comment 1. It is 6 chromosomal disorder caused due to non-distinction of chromosomes during gamete formation. 2. Individual born with Turner syndrome has 44 autosomes with XO3. They have a short stature, height, and webbed neck, lower posterior hairline, broad shield-shaped chest, polydeveloped ovaries and breast, and lower intelligence. Spot F. Identification. The given spot F is a photograph of disease amoebiasis. Comment 1. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. 2. Entamoeba histolytica is a parasite in the large intestine of man. It occurs in 3 stages as A. trophozoite, B. Precystic stage, C. Cystic stage. 4. Disease is caused by the trophozoite form. Spot G. Identification. The given spot G is permanent slide of telophase of meiosis. I. Comment 1. In this phase, chromosome reach the opposite poles. 2. Nucleus gets recognized and then reappears. 3. Nuclear membrane gets developed around each set of chromosomes, forming 2 dots nuclei. Spot H. Identification. The given spot H is a specimen of aquatic animal, rohu. Comment 1. Body is laterally compressed and streamlined to minimize water resistance. 2. It shows presence of gills, helps in exchange of gases in water. 3. Paired fins helps in swimming and caudal fin in changing direction. Spot I. Identification. The given spot I is model of human eye, retina. Comment 1. The purpose of the retina is to recessive light that the lens focus converts light into neutral signals sent to brain for visual recognition. 2. It is the innermost, delicated, non-vascular light sensitive layer. 3. There are no rod and cone cells in this region. Spot J. Identification. The given spot J is a pedigree chart showing inheritance of rolling tongue. Comment 1. The rolling of tongue is the ability of a person to roll the tongue inwards in U-shape. 2. The inability to roll the tongue is caused by autosomal recessive allele. 3. Both homozygous dominant and heterozygous individuals are able to roll